So, what are all these satellites actually doing? They power global communications, connecting people and systems across continents. They enable navigation, guiding everything from your phone to aircraft and ships. They provide Earth observation, tracking weather, agriculture, and natural disasters. They support scientific research, helping us understand both our planet and the universe. And they play a critical role in global infrastructure systems. Without satellites, modern life would slow down dramatically. This is not optional technology, it's foundational. Make sure you subscribe to the Watt Hour because we go deeper into the systems most people overlook. Now, let's go inside a satellite because this is where it really starts to make sense. From the outside, a satellite looks like a simple structure with solar panels. But inside, it is a fully integrated, self sustaining system. It has to generate power, store energy, and perform its mission all on its own. The power system is the lifeline. Solar panels generate energy when exposed to sunlight, but satellites regularly pass into Earth's shadow. When that happens, power generation stops instantly, and the entire system switches to batteries. Everything depends on them. The onboard computer is the brain. It controls navigation, manages power distribution, and operates the payload. The communication system connects the satellite to Earth. These signals must travel thousands of miles with precision and reliability. The payload is the mission itself. Everything else exists to support this function. Thermal control systems manage extreme temperatures. Components must be carefully regulated to survive. Propulsion systems keep the satellite in position. Without them, the satellite would eventually become useless.